Hello you guys, I'm just coming to share with you some crochet braids by Kima braid. This is the Ocean Wave. And I'm just basically showing you the type of hair because the name of it wasn't on that part I showed you at first. And I already did the back. I'm at the middle. I'm just basically just crocheting in hair as you normally would. I looped it twice, tied it once. Some of them, if it was thick where the braid was, I would tie it twice to 3 times. It just all depends on how thick that braid is at that spot. This style took me approximately 3 hours. 3 hours and 20 minutes. I cornrowed her down as usual with my perimeter braid at the back, and she wanted the highlight, so she has a number 1 and a 30. So I put the black around the bottom perimeter from ear to ear, and then the next row up I did 30. So I alternated the colors all the way throughout until I got to the top part. And each little piece that came in the bag, I split those one piece 3 times. So each piece I split it for 3 times. I cut the bag of hair in half. I had to do it really full at the top because her hair was kind of thin. But I did get it done. Excuse me, I was all in the way. Then I noticed it that I was in the way. Well, not at that point I didn't, but eventually I did. So please forgive me for being all up in the camera, all in the way. I forgot I was even recording. And I'm just crocheting away. Trying to get it done because I had another appointment right after her. I did some tree braids. I didn't do a video on that one, but because she comes all the time, and probably twice a week maybe, because she loves to get her done all the time. So I don't do a video on all my hairstyles, just on some of them. Don't forget, you guys, to please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, I appreciate you guys for coming to check out what I have new or to have in store for you guys. Again, I'm all up in the camera. I apologize. I didn't know how to delete that part out, but I'm learning, so. See, I finally noticed that I was in the way. But yeah, I'm just basically just going around, like I said, alternating the colors as I go.
Y'all been running the Salvation Army invite you to make the holidays a little bit brighter this year. Just stop by an angel tree in these malls across DFW and pick up an angel tag. It's a wish list for a child or an older adult. You pick up the gifts while you're doing your own holiday shopping and return them unwrapped to the same tree. The deadline to adopt an angel.
And as you see, I did all the black, so I was just adding the color on the next row up. She had a total of 4 braids on the one side, 4 braids on the opposite side, and in the middle top, I did it in a circle so I could make it very full because her hair was thinning up there. And as you guys can see here, this is the circle that I did in the middle of her head, because it was kind of thin, as you can see in those couple of spots. So I made it as full as I could get it. And this is basically the end result of the whole entire hairstyle. And just showing you guys the whole entire head. She can flip it from side to side, but that's only if she chooses to, because she has thinning edges, and I did what I could. I didn't want to grab all the way close to the front, and then they would just break off as well. And this is how thin her edges was in the front. I made it as full as I could get it. You can even tell her hair is even thin. I'm just showing you the colors, how the mixture looked. And I make sure I put them close together. And this is the finished product. Thank you guys.